morning. Hey guys, good morning. It's around 10 and yeah, I know my face is already beat, the girl is looking fly and everything in between. And guys, that is mainly because you all bullied me into showing you the products I used for my previous tutorial, face tutorial, whatever. So I had to shoot and show you the products I used because I love you guys so much and I'm happy when you guys are happy. So yeah, now I'm just picking the makeup. That's why I'm not like looking at you. But yeah, I did that. I was shooting that because I don't like fighting with you. It's not nice. It's not nice when we're not in good terms. So yeah, I just shot that and then I'm gonna edit it. I'm gonna edit the video today because one thing about me, when there's content, I can't rest. Like, I want to edit and get over and done with. And also I only do content during the weekend because school is hectic. I use my Saturdays. Usually I shoot on Saturdays and then I just put everything in drafts and then I post during the week. But yesterday was a different day. Hey, yesterday was a different day. I don't know if I got busy, lazy, I don't remember, but yeah, at least I went to do my nails. Guys, at least I went to do my nails. You have to give it to me. The fact that I have new nails, you have to give it to me. And this is so cute. They look so cute. Love this. They look so cute. They are so clean, you know. I'm happy. Like, one thing about me, I'm happy when my nails are clean. Like, they just complete me. Wait, they just complete me in a way. Like, there's this feeling that they give me that I can't like really explain. So yeah, I came back late. I came back around 7 because I had to soak off and he was busy with someone, so I had to wait for him to finish so that he could like attend to me. But I'm not complaining because I love his job, so I didn't mind waiting because I knew that the end result was what I wanted. And also guys, this guy does nails for 100 rands. Like, if you don't want any art, you know, if you just want one color like this type of simple nails, it's just 100 rands. So if you're in Bram and you want to get some affordable nails, hit me up. I'll send you his number and salon, and then you just go there, you get your, guys, I'm just wiping the table, and then you get your beautiful affordable nails. Actually, the reason why I'm shooting this, the reason why I started this vlog here is because I remember yesterday I told you that I was gonna show you the new brushes that I added into the collection, and I thought, let me do that now before I continue with the day. So initially, this is the brushes I'm selling. Okay, this is a set of 10 brushes, 5 face brushes and 5 eye brushes, and then I just added the black ones. So we also have these black ones here, black and gold. Absolutely love this. I'm not sure if I want black brushes, but I have like, I think I have 6 of this set. Like, guys, these are the brushes that I currently own. Okay, there are 4 in here. So adding, I could say, hey, I don't know, but yeah, these are the ones that I sell for 120. These 2 sets here, and then I added this mini set right here. I added this one. I love this because I think it's portable. Like, you can carry this around, just like throw it in your bag when you're traveling to wherever, even if it's like a one night type of sleepover. But the reason why I bought this is because I think it's good for eyebrows. See, the fact that there's a spoolie and then they're like, what is happening with me? Yeah, sorry guys. So the fact that there's a spoolie, there's like this fluffy brush here that you can use throughout the day just to like set your makeup. There's a brush that you can use to apply your foundation, your mask, your whatever. There are also like some brushes that you can use to define your eyebrows. You know, that's actually the reason why I fell for this. And this one is quite cheap. I'm selling this for only 80 rands, because these are even like mini brushes. They're small, guys, like not even the size of my hand, you see. So yeah, this is the first set that I added to those ones. And then I also added this one. Oh my gosh, guys, this is my fave. Like, I love the set. Look at how slick it is. Like, look at how slick this piece is. It's giving fancy, expensive. I'm the girl that I think I am. You know, you just pack your brushes, you throw it in your bag. Sure. Absolutely loving this. This is a set of 8 brushes. This is how the brushes look like. So this one has 4 face brushes, and then it has 6 eyeshadow brushes. Guys, I absolutely love this, and I want to show you how big this one is. This is like, do you even see how fluffy these brushes are? Like, can you see? Can you see? Oh my gosh, this is like, I think this is the reason I bought those brushes, because this is just a big like powder brush. You can use this to set your powders or to do your contour. Absolutely love this. I think, yeah, this is the piece that made me buy this whole set. So this one retails for 250, and yeah, these are the 2 sets that I added. These are the 2 sets that I added. This one comes in 2 colors. There's also this one, but this is currently dated because I just used it. But yeah, these are the 2 sets that I added. So at the moment we have 3 different sets. Yeah, that's all I wanted to show you. If you want to order or hear more about this or see more pictures of these brushes, go to this page here. I am the one who's in control of this page. So yeah, this is the page where I post all the products that I'm selling. If I do makeup on someone, I think I'll even like post it here. But yeah, that's all I wanted to show you guys. So now I have an order. Someone bought brushes. I just like packed them and wrapped them with the bubble wrap because I don't want them to break and everything. So I must take this to Pep because she's using she chose the Pep method to Korea because she's in Rustenburg. So I'm thinking I'm gonna do that now because I also want to go to Pick n Pay. I need a few veggies because if you know, you know, on Sundays we cook this side. So yeah, I think I wanna have like a hearty meal this time around. I took out turkey. I haven't decided how I wanna cook it. Like maybe I'll just like boil and fry, and then I'll make chakalaka, I'll make rice, and what else? I don't like butternut because yeah, the texture is not it. It's not it for me. Maybe I'll like make potato salad. I must check beetroot. Maybe I must also like buy some beetroot. Yeah, I think I don't know, but yeah, today we are cooking as we always do. So, oh yeah, and I must also do laundry. I'm not sure if I'm in the mood for that because I did laundry last week, but I just think my bedding needs to be washed again. I sweat a lot at night, and I feel like this past nights have just been hot, or I've just been feeling hot. So I think I wanna like just wash my sheets, not even like the duvet cover, just like the bed cover. I think the mattress cover. I think I just want to wash that with my pillowcase, and then my PJs, my towel. Not a lot of things because my basket is not full, just has like a few things.
A few moments later.
Guys, I don't know what it is about today. Maybe because I woke up like very early because I've been up since 4 o'clock. I think that's why, but I just feel so drained. Like I just feel so tired. But otherwise, I am back from Pick n Pay. I went to buy a few veggies because today we're cooking. So I bought this red and white coleslaw. We are gonna make coleslaw today. I was actually thinking of making roasted potatoes. Actually no, potato salad, but I don't know. And then I bought tomato paste. I just bought this because yeah, I don't think I'm gonna use it today. And then I bought carrots because we are making chakalaka. And then I bought some fruits because I get hungry during classes. So yeah, I bought this. Oh, where did you try? Meniolas. Guys, we'll just eat energy. I'm this navchis. Okay, here's the name. I thought this were navchis, but yeah, I bought these. And then I bought these. And lastly, I bought bananas. I usually have bananas on days where I miss my breakfast. I just get a banana and then I eat it on my way to campus. Yeah, so now that that's out of the way, I'm taking the laundry to the machines. And then I think I'm gonna cook now so that I get to rest and then do the rest of the stuff. And one thing about me, guys, the way I abuse my feces, Kikule sneaky way, guys. I really fizzy because I did it really easy. I wanna show you. The way I abuse these, like the way I am like, wait, the way I'm always wearing this, it's embarrassed. And guys, how do you wash like your shoes? Do you like throw them in the washing machine or you wash with a brush? Because these bad boys are dirty. You might not see on camera, but they ghetto.
The next day.
I just finished reading my devotion, my devotional, and then I'm gonna shower, and then I need to send these brushes. I showed you this yesterday, but I need to send these brushes to the person who bought them. So I'm taking them to Pep. Yesterday they were closed when I got there. I don't think they even opened. I think they didn't update their Google what because on Google it said they were open, but when I got there they were closed. So after showering, that's what I'm gonna do. I also didn't cook yesterday. I'll explain one day why, but I think I'm gonna do that today, and yeah, I'll take it from there. I'm actually looking at my roses. I'm so shocked at how long they've survived. I think I had this for, was it 2 weeks, and they're still thriving. Like they're still thriving, guys. They're still looking proper. They even have like new leaves. I think I'm gonna like remove this old ones, like so that the new ones can thrive in peace. So I'm in the kitchen, I'm about to cook, but I'm not gonna vlog talking because I don't know how this stove sounds, because it's using it's an induction stove. It does some weird stuff, but I just wanted to show you the ghetto. Like the fact that when we come to cook, we must like pack our stuff as though we are going shopping. It's the ghetto. Like it's the ghetto AF. So today I am making teki chakalaka rice, and then I'm also gonna make coleslaw. I was actually supposed to cook yesterday, but I didn't because the pots aren't mine, guys. I don't have pots that are suitable for the induction stove. I'm yet to buy those, so I asked from my flat plate. So yesterday I was just kind of scared to ask, like I was shy, because that was gonna be like my third time asking. So it's just like, should I, shouldn't I? But I finally did it because the girl was hungry. Because the girl wants to eat, you know. So now I've just started with the rice. Here's the rice. I am dishing in this containers because I'm meal prepping. And then here I cooked the chakalaka. I'm also done with the chakalaka. Look at how yummy that is. Yummy delicious. So yeah, now I'm just left with the turkey. So I'm gonna dish this because I need to use this pot. So I'm just gonna like dish the rice in the containers, wash the pot, and then make the turkey. Then that should be it.
A few moments later.
Yeah guys, so I'm done. Here is the turkey. Guys, this stove doesn't fry, so no, this pots don't fry. So yeah, here's the turkey. I'm loving it. I'm happy. So let's go dish it.